Tantric Loving Mindset. The first chapter is going to be called Sex is Sacred, sometimes. Sex in the mainstream is not really considered sacred. It's considered actually in the Judeo-Christian worldview the opposite of sacred. So we're trying to ascend up to heaven where bodies don't exist. That's our goal in that kind of worldview. And sex is something that is dangerous. Women are dangerous. It leads us astray from God. It's off the path, and enjoying sex is suspicious and so forth. And in Tantra, we think it's all sacred, including sex, especially sex, because sex can give us a taste of the infinite. You've probably been with a lover where in a moment you get into an altered state of consciousness and you feel maybe the divine is there, something greater than the two of you. And this is what we would call a sacred experience in Tantra. We don't necessarily have that in the mainstream. We're not even offered that potential. So part of my intention in these books is to offer that potential. If you don't like it, that's fine. But you can tap into sex being sacred, relationship being sacred, our bodies being sacred. This is a very ancient worldview that predates Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, all these patriarchal religions. There was a time when the body and female bodies were considered sacred, and making love was considered sacred. So what we're doing in Tantra is we're updating those ancient principles to bring a sense of sacredness into today's world. So stick with me. Come on back. We're going to have a series here on Tantric Loving.